my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. I have to admit that when it comes to pasta, it's one of my weaknesses. With a wide variety of shapes along with flavorful sauces and cheeses, no wonder pasta dishes are so popular. There's one I've enjoyed making since the 80s, and after tweaking it a few times, the sauce is incredible. The best ever. You'll see. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my penne alla vodka. This recipe is totally an OMG. I'm not shy with the vodka, as I really want it to shine through. With fresh ingredients, this creamy sauce is just fabulous. It's a delicious dish to have on hand. So my friends, let's get cooking.
In a large skillet over medium heat, we'll add oil as well as butter. When it gets hot and starts sizzling, we'll add pancetta and saute until almost cooked, about 7 minutes. Then we'll add onions and saute until soft, roughly 2 minutes. Next, we'll add pressed garlic, followed by Italian seasoning. Now, if you want to make it from scratch, click on the top right corner of your screen. And red pepper flakes. We'll quickly saute the ingredients for only 30 seconds. Now, we'll pour in the star of the show, vodka. We'll stir well and cook until it's reduced by a third, about 3-4 minutes. Next, we'll add my homemade marinara sauce, and the link is right there on your screen. We'll also add tomato paste, combine the ingredients, and let it simmer for 5 minutes. Put the lid on so it doesn't splash everywhere. When time is up, we'll add heavy cream. After all, this is supposed to be a creamy sauce, and freshly ground black pepper. We'll blend the ingredients. Beautiful, look at this. And then we'll add the cooked pasta. Depending on what I have in my pantry, I use either penne or rigatoni. We'll gently fold it in this beautiful sauce until well coated. To finish the sauce, we'll stir in half a cup of Grana Padano cheese. When it's time to serve, we'll garnish with a few basil leaves. And my friends, this is our penne alla vodka. This is incredible. In less than 30 minutes, you can serve this restaurant quality dish to your guests. Isn't it amazing? It's easy to make and the sauce is fantastic. This famous pasta recipe has to be in your folder. I hope you give it a try soon and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!